You might think holding in a sneeze is just being polite, but you are actually creating a high-pressure explosion inside your own head. Before we show the internal damage this causes, subscribe to Apex Films for more daily secrets. When you block a sneeze, the air pressure, which can travel up to 100 miles per hour, is forced back into your sinuses and ears. This extreme pressure can literally rupture your eardrums, pop blood vessels in your eyes, or in rare cases, cause a brain aneurysm. So next time you feel a sneeze coming, just let it out. Your body will thank you.